Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some meatball. So here I have some grounded beef, and these are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, you have paprika, you have black pepper, you have garlic powder, you have onion powder, you have thyme, you have salt, and you also have jerk seasoning, but this is the bottle one. This is what it's look like, and everything is 1 spoonful, but the jerk seasoning is 1 teaspoonful. And these are all my herbs. So you have some onions, and you also have some spring onions. So I forgot to mention, I also have some everyday seasoning. So first I'm gonna just blend all my seasoning together. Just make sure you blend it properly. And I'm just gonna pour it on my beef. And I'm also gonna add my herbs. And you're just gonna take your hand and just blend it all in. So just make sure everything is all combined together. And if your meatball need more seasoning, you can always add more seasoning to it, guys. But mine is finished now. So this is what it look like. So now we are gonna make our meatball. So here I have my bowl, and I also have some plain flour. So I'm just gonna put my plain flour on the board so my meatball doesn't stick. So that's the size I'm gonna make. It doesn't have to be perfect. So this is what mine look like. Let's take some more flour. So I'm just gonna do that back and forth, guys. So my meatball is finally finished, and this is what it look like. So now I'm gonna fry them now. Or should I say just brown it. So now I'm gonna brown my meatball. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add some vegetable oil. So my oil is hot, so now I'm gonna add my meatball. So just allow it to fry until it became brown. So now I'm gonna turn my meatballs. So my meatball has browned, and now I'm gonna remove it. So just make sure you brown even the side of it also. Oops. I'm just adding these last one that left. So all my meatball is all finished. So now I'm gonna remove it now. Smell amazing. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my meatball. So here I have 2 cans of plum tomato. So this is what it looks like. I also have an onion. This is just half of onions and some tomato paste. I'm gonna blend up my tomato. You don't have to do it, it is optional, but I like mine to be smooth, so that's why I'm gonna blend it. So this is what it looks like after I blend it. So as you can see, it is all smooth, and this is exactly how I want it to be. So to my pot, I'm gonna add some onions and some garlic, and I add at least 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. So after around a minute or so, or even less than a minute, you can just add your plum tomato. And to my plum tomato, I'm gonna add all-purpose seasoning, some everyday seasoning, some black pepper, and some garlic powder, onion powder. Just give it a stir. Some salt and some sugar just to balance out the taste. And I'm gonna also add some of my bottle jerk seasoning, but this is totally optional. And I also add around 1 spoonful of my tomato paste. And I'm also gonna add some thyme. You can also use fresh thyme. This smells amazing, guys. So now I'm gonna taste it now. Tastes amazing. It tastes so good. I'm just gonna make it come to a boil for at least 3 minutes. Then I'll add my meatballs. So now finally I'm gonna add my meatballs. You just take your sauce and just put it all over your meatball. It looks amazing, guys. It looks so delicious. And I'm just gonna add some fresh spring onions just to give it a bit of color. And some parsley. And I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes, for at least 15 to 10 minutes on a low heat. And I'm gonna also cover my pot also. So my meatball is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. Guys, it's looking so delicious and so yummy. I cannot wait to eat it. And of course, I'm gonna have it with some spaghetti. So here I have some spaghetti in my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you and show you how it looks on the plate. So now I'm gonna plate it up for you guys. So just make sure you drain off your water from your spaghetti. Just gonna wipe around it. And I'm just gonna add some parsley on top of it so it look pretty. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.